Notice how shiny and tight my forehead is. The swelling has gone down quite a bit. There's still more swelling in here.
So today is day 5 after my peel, and I'm not counting the day of, I'm counting the day after. The day after is day 1, so this is day 5.
See this little patch right here has been peeled. I don't know if you can see the difference in right here. The skin that hasn't shed, it's like, it's shiny. And so I've been kind of like helping it along like that. This is what I've been doing. I mean, they say not to do that, but that's what I've been doing because, I mean, it's day 5. See that shiny paper-like? That needs to peel.
It's peeled here. The skin underneath is brighter, so are the scars. Everything is brighter.
And I did all the way down here. I did all the way down here. So yeah, all the skin down here has tightened and should come off. Tonight I'm going to exfoliate with some sugar scrub.
Today is day 6, I believe. Peeling right here. Still have this to go. I don't know if you can see that line of demarcation.
Up to here, along here, right here. See that? See the difference in the texture? See that line of demarcation? Still have peeling to happen here. I can't see, so I hope you can see this.
The parts that have peeled is much smoother. The texture looks better.